Say hi, guys.
Hello.
While the camera's on you, you dork.
It's not really.
It's a video.
Where's my money?
It's a video. No photos being taken. Okay. Viditiri.
Fridays or Tuesdays.
Hi, Ruben.
Yeah!
Ruben, say hi.
You want to go to Fridays?
This is my insane family.
You want to go to
Help.
Fridays? Yes.
Hi, Dad. We are here in Blizzard Beach of the Disney Resort, and they're arguing over food. We'll find the rest of the family. Can I zoom in while I'm recording? I don't think so. Let's see. Oh, I can't. Okay. There we go. Some of the family. Jordan, my mom, Marissa's waving, Papito, Ricky, Kayla. I'm waving at them. No one's doing anything. It's a video! They think it's a photo. Hello.
I'm hungry. That's what I am. I'm very, very, deeply, insanely hungry.
MySpace will love this.
Fridays, yes.
But we're going to Chili's.
No, I want to Fridays. They have that dirt thingy with all the pudding and the cookies.
I went there and tried to order that. I didn't find it on the menu.
Bucket of dirt. Bucket of dirt.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Nice. Blizzard Beach. My favorite part is closed. That's really sad.
That's not favorite. Because all you do is sit down and go up.
Yeah, but it's relaxing.
Yeah.
And it gets you.
It's not relaxing when you go up with a 100-pound, 300-pound person, and it's just going like this the whole time. No, it's not relaxing.
I find it relaxing because I don't have to walk to the rides.
I like Blizzard Beach because of the guys.
Typhoon had better guys.
That's bullshit because they were all Cubans.
You're racist.
No racist.
Giselle, there's a whole bunch of little baby ones for you.
No.
We're gonna go steal soda. And then we get an ice cream. Helado and soda.
I get to hold the ice cream.
Yes, you do.
Huh?
Yes, you do. I can't zoom once I put this camera on because it sucks. That's going on MySpace. You're
no balls. No balls. Where are you going?
This way.
Why?
Because it comes around to it. We're going there. I really hate this camera. I can't zoom once I'm on video. Oh, wait, whoa. Actually, it's working this time. Wow, it worked. Woohoo! Out of the other 20 times that it didn't work.
You should videotape somebody coming off that ride so you can see them pick their wedgie. I'm just kidding.
But they will. They will pick their wedgie.
Oh, yeah.
Because trust me, they will have one.
Because I had one.
I ain't going on that. Oh, hell no. Remind me to figure out how to bleep out stuff. I'll ask a few friends, alright. That's the Idaho corridor.
Idaho?
We're waiting for our helado. We're gonna get one of those. Esperando helado. Quick pan in on the camera.
What kind of
Clue. No clue. Anything. Anything at all. That's a little preteen area, but they have a fun slide in there. And if you hit your foot on the way down, you walk away limping. Here's a spoon. It's zoomed in like on your nose. Oh yeah. I did record that. Yes, I did.
The monkey face.
It gives me something to do. she say? She backed away.
You get out.
Going on YouTube or on Facebook.
Hey Norma, do you want this? It's all ice cream. That away. Yeah, that away. Oh wow, that's different. Now, knowing us, that will not make it back to the rest of our family in one piece. It's leaking on one side. Oh no, it's not. It's just, it looks like it for the camera. Oh, Skylar is working again. One side?
It's time to get in line.
Two sides. I think you missed it, but okay, sorry guys. I tried to catch him, but I was a little late.
That was loud.
That was a little loud, you little hoe bag. People are always shocked at how I talk to you, so it's really funny. It's a video. Do something funny. That was funny.